For the next video, I just wanted to address some of the common mistakes I see when people do the quadratic formula. So looking at this quadratic formula, I was basing it off of this equation. So we got it equal to 0, so that's a good thing. So I know that A is 1, B is -3, and C is -2. So when I look at plugging it in, something I noticed right away is in the formula it's -b, but here it just wrote -3. But since b is -3 and it's already a negative b, this would have been -3, which would have turned this into a +3. So that is the first mistake. Then plus or minus is good. Then square root of b squared. So hopefully right away you notice that they forgot to put parentheses around this, because if you type into your calculator -3 squared with no parentheses, you're going to get -9. But what we really want is those parentheses so that it gives us +9. So that will change the answer. And then we have -4 times a, which is 1, and c, so it looks like when they figured out their c, they forgot that this minus stays with the 2, so make sure you do -2. And then all over 2a, so 2 times 1. So those are some common mistakes I see when people do the quadratic formula. So for your last practice, I want you to look at quadratic formulas and try to figure out what the mistake is that the person writing it made. So why don't you guys give that a shot.